Hello friends, welcome to Relax Gardens. I am happy to see you here. This channel is all about simple and peaceful garden ideas. If you like calm and beautiful gardens, you will enjoy our videos. If you are new here, please subscribe and press the bell icon. That way you will see our new videos first. Let's start and enjoy the garden ideas together. Today I want to show you some nice ideas for small gardens. Even if your garden is small, you can still make it look very pretty. You just need some good and easy ideas. Let's begin. First, think about what you want to do in your garden. Do you want to sit and relax or grow flowers or plants? When you know what you want, you can plan better. You can also use the walls or fences, hang flower pots, or grow plants that climb up. This helps when there is not much space on the ground. You can use pots of different sizes, put big and small pots together. It looks nice and fun. You can also move them easily if you want to change the look. Try to make different levels. You can use a step, a small table, or tall plants. This makes the garden look more interesting. Don't forget to add a chair or a bench. It's nice to sit and enjoy the garden. Use small furniture so it's so it fits well in the space. Lights can also make your garden look beautiful. You can use fairy lights or little lamps. It looks lovely at night and feels peaceful. And last, add something special, a small water fountain, a colorful pillow, or a sign with your name. This makes the garden feel like your own place. Small gardens can be just as nice as big ones. What matters is how you decorate it with love. If you like this video, please like it and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to Relax Gardens and press the bell. Thank you for watching and happy gardening.